from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon and Monroe. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Carbon and Monroe counties. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The following is a winter weather advisory from the National Weather